ProcessMaker is a leading workflow and business process management solution. ProcessMaker offers a simple yet powerful way for business analysts and IT professionals to automate business processes using a drag-and-drop interface. DocuSign is a leading digital signature solution. ProcessMaker and DocuSign have partnered together to combine the power of a leading business process management and workflow solution with the elegance of a leading electronic signature platform. In this video, we will show you how to make use of the DocuSign connectors present in the ProcessMaker workflow platform to automate your end-to-end business processes involving electronic signatures. ProcessMaker's DocuSign connectors allow you to easily integrate DocuSign functionalities into ProcessMaker to send, approve, and sign documents directly from your business processes. Let's get started. First, we'll take a look at our process. This is an employee onboarding process that is fully automated by ProcessMaker using the DocuSign connector. In the first task, HR will fill out information about a new employee and submit it. After a 30-day trial period, if the manager wants to hire the employee, he or she can pull a contract template from DocuSign and send it to the new employee to sign. ProcessMaker checks the status of the contract at timed intervals. When the document is signed, ProcessMaker automatically sends a confirmation email to the new employee and closes the case. Now we are ready to start a case of the employee onboarding process in ProcessMaker. To start a new case, we need to navigate to the New Case option in ProcessMaker and double-click on the name of our process. The Employee Onboarding form appears. This form was created in ProcessMaker's Dynamic Form Designer by simply dropping field controls onto the form. Forms like this can easily be created in minutes and adapt to any screen size. Here, we need to fill in the required fields with information about the new employee. After completing the form, we hit the Submit button to route the case to the next task. After the trial period of 30 days is completed, the manager can open the case and choose a contract template. This is where we can see the real beauty of the DocuSign connector in our process. The connector pulls the contract templates we made in DocuSign and allows us to select them from a drop-down menu in ProcessMaker without having to navigate away from our task. At the bottom where the list of signers is located, ProcessMaker has auto-filled the email addresses with the email of the employee entered on the employee onboarding form and with the email of the manager assigned to the task. To send the contract to everyone in the list of signers, all we need to do is simply click Send. When the employee goes to check his or her email, his contract will be waiting for him in his inbox. To sign the contract, all he needs to do is click on the link provided by the email to navigate to DocuSign. Using the simple yet powerful tools provided by DocuSign, the employee can sign the document and enter additional information as needed. After all signers have finished signing and entering their information into the document, the case will be routed to the end event without any necessary intervention from you. ProcessMaker can send automatic email notifications to anyone you choose to confirm that the contract was signed, so you're always kept in the loop. As you can see, our DocuSign connector has made collecting information and signatures directly from ProcessMaker simple and easy.